Hello my crafty friends, it's Jenny from Origami Tree bringing you free crafty fun all year round, and today we'll be learning how to make these cute origami ice cream cones. But before we jump into the video, if you're not already subscribed, be sure you do hit that subscribe button because I post new crafty fun videos all year round and would love for you to join me. And without further ado, let's jump right in. To make the origami ice cream cone, you're going to need one square sheet of paper. First you want to take your square sheet of paper and fold it in half diagonally to create a triangle. Then unfold, and now align this bottom right side to the center horizontal crease. So you're going to fold it diagonally and crease it in. Rotate and do the same thing on this side. So we're going to take this, fold it diagonally to that center crease that we made in our first step, and just crease it in. Now we want to take these two flaps. We're going to take the first one first and we're going to fold it diagonally just like this. And now you want to make sure that this makes a right angle. So we're going to go like that. Crease it in. Do the same thing on this side. Now let's flip it around. And we're going to take this little flap here sticking out and fold it over. Do the same thing on the left. Take this little flap, fold it over, and then take this right side over here and align it to the vertical center line. So we're going to fold it like this. Do the same thing on this side. Now let's flip it around and you see your ice cream is almost done. So now we're going to make the cream on top. So you're going to fold it back, crease it in, bring it back out, fold it back, bring it back out. And for this last one, I like to kind of swirl it to one side or the other, as opposed to having it straight up. So I'm just going to twist it a little bit to the left side here before I crease it in. And then I'm going to grab some markers and I'm going to decorate. And that is how you make an origami ice cream cone. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy making these origami ice cream cones. If you would like to learn more, be sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications to be alerted of new videos when they come out. Also check out some of my other craft videos as well. I have hundreds of them, so there's really something for everyone. Thank you so much for your support, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!